Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar Swiss, I mean, it definitely looks like a possible ABC crescent. I mean, it looks like a possible end of a pullback right at the 50% fib. Now, if this really is the end of an ABC crescent, I mean, it definitely can make it pulse a down corrective up, but it needs to maintain downward momentum. It needs to maintain lower lows, lower highs on the 4 hour time frame and up in order for it to really be the end of an ABC crescent. For whatever reason, if it does start to push up hard, I mean, it could possibly go up to a much higher fib level because so far it's really not that impulsive. As of now, I am definitely leaning towards the idea that this really is the end of a crescent because we do have a break of structure. We do have a nice, impulsive down. I'm kind of hoping that this is like a wave one, maybe this is like a wave two, and then it goes down for a big old wave three. So I am definitely keeping an eye out for some shorts. If it makes, some sort of a three-way pullback or anything like that, then I definitely would take it as a short, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. Hopefully a big wave three, and hopefully the continuation of the daily, weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.